Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you fix if your Wi-Fi is not connecting or working on your laptop or computer. If you are having this issue right here, the X icon, so I'll teach you on how you can go ahead and fix that. So first things first, you have to go over to the Windows search bar and search for Device Manager here. And over here, you just have to go ahead and go over to here under Network Adapters and go over to here on your network adapter here. So make sure to search, you have to know your network controller or adapter here. So for this case, this is mine. So if you don't know that, guys, if for some reason you don't know this controller, so all you have to do is right click on your Wi-Fi icon here and go over to Open Network and Internet Settings and change adapter options. And over here on here, as you can see, Realtek PCIe, which is the same as what we have here. So all you have to do to determine that is look for ones that has a network here and that does not have an X mark here. So once you're done with that, you just have to right click and go over to update driver. Browse my computer for drivers and let me pick from a list. And make sure you choose here the most appropriate one for you. So it will be usually on the top side here, on the upper part. This is mine, and all you have to do is next, and that should download it for you guys. Once that is done, you just have to restart your computer, and you should be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today. That is how you can go ahead and fix this Wi-Fi issue that you are encountering. Thank you for watching guys, and goodbye.